Welcome back to Agentic AI 101. This is episode 6, and today we're answering a question that ties everything you've learned so far together. What exactly is an agentic workflow? Imagine you're running a restaurant. Normally, you'd stand in the kitchen shouting instructions for every single dish: sauté the onions, now add the tomatoes, now plate it, now serve it. Your chef needs your approval before moving to the next step. But what if you wrote down the complete recipe once and handed it to your chef? The chef reads it, understands the full job, and executes the entire meal: onions, tomatoes, plating, serving, all in sequence, without asking you after each step. That's an agentic workflow. An agentic workflow is a series of automated steps where AI completes tasks end-to-end with minimal human intervention. Instead of manually triggering each task, you set up a chain of actions that the AI performs independently, learning and adapting along the way. Now, how does an agentic workflow actually work? There are 4 key mechanics at play, and understanding each one will help you see why this is so powerful. First is autonomous execution. The AI completes multiple steps without waiting for human approval between each action. An AI might write a draft email, check the grammar, research context, and send it, all without you clicking anything in between. Second is chaining steps. You connect multiple tasks in sequence so the output of one step becomes the input for the next. A customer inquiry flows to research, then to draft response, then to sending. Each step feeds into the next like a factory assembly line. Third is decision making. The AI evaluates conditions and chooses which path to take based on what it finds. If a customer question is urgent, it escalates to a human. If it's routine, the AI resolves it on the spot. Fourth is repeatability. The workflow runs the same way every time, handling similar tasks consistently without being reprogrammed. Process your first customer ticket, and you can process your 100th using the exact same workflow. Let's see these mechanics in action with real examples. Start with customer service. An AI receives a customer inquiry, researches the answer from your knowledge base or the web, drafts a response, and sends it automatically, with escalation if the issue is too complex. Content creation is another powerful use case. An AI researches a topic, outlines an article, writes the first draft, fact-checks key claims, optimizes it for SEO, and publishes it, all without a human pressing go between each step. Data analysis is another area transformed by agentic workflows. Raw data comes in, the AI cleans it, removes duplicates, analyzes patterns, generates insights, creates visualizations, and sends the report to stakeholders automatically. Hiring is being transformed too. An AI screens resumes against job criteria, ranks candidates by fit, schedules interviews, sends status updates to applicants, and even conducts initial technical assessments, all autonomously. Here's why this matters for the future of automation. Right now, most AI tools are one-shot. You ask a question, it answers, and then you ask the next question. But agentic workflows are different, they're continuous and they run 24/7 without you staying glued to your screen. Here's the key takeaway: an agentic workflow isn't just automation, it's intelligent delegation. You're not programming a robot to follow rigid rules. You're giving an AI agent a goal, a set of tools, and the freedom to figure out the steps to get there. Just like your chef with the recipe, the AI reads the mission once and executes it end to end. Next episode, we're diving deep into React prompting, the secret to AI agent intelligence. This is the technique that teaches AI agents how to think step by step and correct themselves when they go wrong. See you then.